Have you ever gazed at the stars or watched a seed sprout and felt awe? The Quran, revered by Muslims, is filled with invitations to wonder. It doesn't just tell stories or give rules, it urges us to look, think, and question. The Quran suggests that answers to life's biggest questions are written in the world around us, waiting for curious hearts. This call to reflect is central. Faith and knowledge are partners, not enemies. By studying nature's details, we glimpse the wisdom behind creation. The Quran wants us to read the book of nature, to appreciate its poetry and meaning. Thinking, tadabbur, is presented as worship, a quiet conversation with the universe. The Quran says, "It is a book, that they may ponder over its verses, and that those of understanding may take heed." Surah Sad 38:29. Our journey begins not with rigid answers, but with open-minded curiosity, a universal call to witness the signs of a creator in the world. Where does life come from? The Quran offers a profound answer. We made from water every living thing. Surah Al-Anbiya 21:30. This ancient insight aligns with modern science. Water is essential for all life. Every cell, from bacteria to humans, is mostly water. Without it, life cannot exist. Our search for life on other planets always starts with, "Is there water?" The Quran also says humanity began from clay, connecting us to earth and water. This poetic description mirrors scientific understanding. Our bodies are shaped from Earth's elements, sustained by water. Every glass of water connects us to the origins of life. The Quran's message is not just scientific, it's a call to appreciate and protect this sacred resource. Water is a gift, the source of all biological wonders. It's a lesson in both science and gratitude. Have you noticed how nature comes in pairs, day and night, male and female? The Quran highlights this. Of everything we have created pairs, that you may remember. Surah Ad-Dariyat 51:49. This principle of duality is a universal rule, bringing balance and growth. The Quran expands, "Glory be to him who created all the pairs, from what the earth grows, from themselves and from things unknown to them." Surah Yasin 36:36. Today science confirms this. Plants, animals, even atoms exist in pairs. Pairing ensures diversity and continuation of life. The Quran's mention of pairs in plants was ahead of its time. Botany now confirms it. This pattern reminds us of interdependence and harmony in the universe. Everything has a counterpart, a partner that helps fulfill its purpose. It's a profound concept, inviting us to reflect on balance in our lives and the world. When we see birds in formation or ants working together, we witness communities in action. The Quran acknowledges this. There is no animal nor a bird, but they are communities like you. Surah Al-An'am 6:38. This was revolutionary. Animals are not mindless, but organized societies. Modern science confirms. Animals communicate, cooperate, and form complex social structures. The Quran's perspective fosters respect and compassion for all creatures. It reminds us that disrupting ecosystems harms entire nations of living beings. Observing animals becomes a lesson in cooperation and community. Each animal nation is a testament to the complexity and wonder of life. The Quran describes human development in the womb with stunning accuracy. It outlines stages: a drop of fluid, a clinging clot, a lump of flesh, then bones covered with flesh, mirroring modern embryology. Surah Al-Mu'minun, the 23rd of December 14. The term means clinging or leech-like, matching the embryo's early form. The sequence, bones first, then flesh, aligns with scientific discovery. The Quran also mentions 3 veils of darkness, now understood as the abdominal wall, uterus, and amniotic sac. This knowledge inspires gratitude and awe for our existence. The Quran invites us to reflect on our origins and marvel at the miracle of life.